Here we are, we're using the red dart to launch our camera into the sky. It's about 50 centimeters high, has a few repairs there on the fins from a previous crash. We're using a C65 motor. And it's a beautiful day here at Lansdowne Middle School. Where we'll be shooting off this rocket and possibly several others. You ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And it's really hard to follow it with the camera sometimes, trying to keep it in the frame. Do my best. Alright, we're here doing launch number 2. I'm going to retry with the Minicam. We think we accidentally turned it off last time. See if we can get it to work.
Go.
Just a sec. There's the camera strapped onto the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Got one more rocket here, a little smaller one, smaller motor. I'm gonna try to track this one. It's hard though, they get lost. Move back a bit.
Move back quite a bit.
Okay, ready? Anytime.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And here it is coming down, 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 and it's getting closer and closer, and it's going to be hitting the ground just about now. We'll zoom in a little bit, see if we can see it. Chute open perfectly, rocket retrieved. So the next thing we wanted to do is we wanted to just burn a motor and shoot it in slow motion. We had a little bit of trouble though, it went a little bit wrong. Take a look at what happened. Whoops. Let's look at that again in slow motion and kind of watch it flip over. It's pretty funny. Yeah, these motors, they really have quite a bit of force. Flip that whole thing over. We're lucky the whole thing didn't come off. And you can actually see the ejection charge come out the other end too in sort of a fiery ball in just a second. Keep watching. Anyway, lots of fun shooting off rockets and playing around with rocket motors. Till next time, see you later.